Project Sierra take 2. Yesterday I got out here and finished hooking up the fuel pump lines, and I tried to crank on a little bit. I got some video and I'll show you what happened yesterday. I'm afraid this old gas is probably clogged the fuel injectors up. That's a weird sound on that pump. It's hitting, trying to anyway. That pump sounds like crap, cheap Chinese junk. The only thing about buying on eBay, you never know where the shit's gonna be made from. They're still trying to. Just don't like that old gas at all. Come on, baby. I couldn't flush out the damn throttle, you know. Whew, I bet that shit's gummed up in there. I bet them injectors need cleaning. One thing I think's hurting it, they ain't got no back pressure because the catalytic converter's cut off of it. That probably ain't helping none. Of course, this fuel pump run like it ain't doing much either. Well, it's sure trying to. Like it's hitting on about 2 cylinders. We'll try and go back getting that crap out of there maybe. It ain't gummed the injectors up too bad. Smoking a little bit. So as you see, I could just crank on it, and kept hearing something weird up on here when the fuel pump was running, so I'm thinking that it was this fuel pressure regulator right here. So I went today and got a new one, and that thing's a pain in the butt to change out. You got to take off the whole fuel rail to get to it. So while I was there, I looked at the injectors and they look pretty clean. The only thing I'm worried about really is the vacuum lines. I didn't get any spare vacuum hose. So we're going to try to crank it. See what it'll do. Hey. Thing still sounds the same. Kind of a weird sound that fuel pump's making. It's almost like it can't build pressure. I can hear flow through this thing right here. I can hear flow as that fuel pump's running, but it ain't like it can't build up any pressure. So, just like it was yesterday. injectors didn't look gummed up at all, from what I could tell. Let's try it again. It's skipping on something. Let's see if I can find a cold cylinder on it. Cut it off.
Well, it smoked like a camel.
Well, it's old gas.
I know, but it smoked like a
Skipping on number 2. Now it's skipping on number 1. Number 1 is cold. Number 2 is warm. On number 2 cylinder. So, number 1 and number 2 cylinders are dead. And I just changed the plugs out and the spark plugs, the wires. Changed the spark plugs and wires out yesterday on number 2 and changed the spark plugs on all the rest of them. So we got number 1 and number 2 cylinders are dead, and I got to figure out what's going on with them. But at least we know she'll crank.